Are you a beginner when it comes to email marketing? You're in luck. I have compiled a list of 7 best email marketing tips for beginners. These tips will help you start on the right foot and ensure your affiliate campaigns are successful. Watch this video till the end to learn all about these 7 tips. Hi there, I'm Yogesh, founder of this channel, utilizeyourbusiness.com, and I also have a blog with the same name. Why bother subscribing to my YouTube channel? It's simple, because I'm not just some dry and boring instructor.
Really? Really?
Well, if you watch any of my earlier videos when I started this channel, you might not agree with the previous statement, but you'll agree with this. I'm an affiliate marketer with years of experience in trenches, and I do my best to make my tutorials and videos that are fun and engaging. And when you're having fun, you learn better. So as a beginner in affiliate marketer, if you're learning to learn affiliate marketing the right way, subscribe to my channel today. You won't regret it. And our video starts now. No one wants to read through an endless list of tips, but we can all use a few pointers. I've been doing this email marketing for years and have found these 7 tips that are more helpful in my experience. First one, segment your list and send targeted messages. Segmenting your list is a great way to send targeted messages to your customers. But by dividing them in smaller groups, you can better understand their needs and cater to them accordingly. It will help increase customer satisfaction and loyalty while also boosting sales. Isn't that what we all wanted? How do you go about segmenting your list? There are many different ways, but here are a few popular methods to segment your list. First one, by demographic segmentation. This involves dividing customers by age, gender, income, and education. This allows you to target them with specific message that appeals to their demographic. Second one, geographic segmentation. This divides customer by location, such as city, state, or country for that matter. This is useful if you have different products or services for different regions, and you can send messages to the particular region. Behavioral segmentation. This segments customers based on their past behavior, such as their purchase history, web browsing behavior, or email engagement. It will help you predict future behavior and target them with relative messages. The second tips is test different subject lines to see which one gets the most open. As an email marketer, one of the most important things you can do is test out different subject lines to see which gets the most open. You might be surprised at what works and what doesn't. I know when I was started doing it, I thought this subject writer would work, but all of a sudden it doesn't. There are a few things to keep in mind when crafting your subject lines. First, make sure they are clear and concise. Your subscribers should be able to understand what the email is about just from the subject line. Second, try to create a sense of urgency. In other words, make your subscriber feel like they need to open the email right away. Finally, be creative. Experiment with different types of subject lines to see what works best for you. The bottom line is that subject lines are essential for getting your emails read. So take a few times to test out different ones and see what works and what doesn't. If you're looking for help with writing your emails, there's a new tool that will help, and it has a free trial to test it out. The new AI tool is called Jasper, and I have used it. I'll put a link in the description for you to check it out and make sure to take advantage of the free trial. The third tip is always include an unscribed link in every message. If you ever been annoyed by a spamming email that you click and unscribe at link at the bottom, the key is to being a good marketer and knowing your audience and how to make them happy. That means sending out messages they want or need to see, not the one they don't. Including an unscribed link in every email you send is a good manners, but it's also a good way to avoid being marked as spam. So next time when you fire off an email campaign, include all the important unscribed link. If you could save you a lot of trouble down the road. The fifth tip is make sure your emails are mobile friendly. Yeah, nowadays we have mobile, and a lot of people are saying no secret that the way to communicate has changed drastically in the recent years. People are using smartphone. With so many people using their smartphone to stay connected, it's important than ever to make sure your emails are mobile friendly. That means ensuring that your messages are easy to read on a small screen with a plenty of white space and clear call to action. You should avoid using large images or complex formatting that could cause your email to be difficult to load on mobile devices. By keeping your emails mobile friendly, you'll make sure they can be read by the broadest possible audience and improve your chance of getting your message across no matter where your recipient or subscribers are. The sixth one is keep your content emails fresh and relevant. It's good to keep your content emails fresh and relevant lest you lose your customer attention. Here are some of the tips to help you out you can keep your content relevant and fresh. Be sure to vary the types of content you send. Mix it up with text, images, and links. Include personal stories and anecdotes whenever possible. People love reading about other people's lives. Keep an eye on the news and include timely information in your emails. Finally, don't forget to proofread your content before sending it out. Typos are sure ways to lose the customer trust. And the last tip where I'm going to tell you is monitor your result and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's no secret that email marketing is a powerful tool, but like all powerful tools, it can be easily to misuse if you're not careful. That's why it's essential to monitor your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. By tracking the results of your email marketing campaigns, you can determine which strategies are working and which one are the one that needs improvement. Then you can adjust your strategy accordingly to ensure that your emails marketing campaigns are as effective as possible. What other email marketing tips would you add to this list? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you comment and let me know so I can make sure to add that in my next video. If you like what you have to say, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. And for those of you who need some help with your emails, how to write it and what to say and how to make them stand out, make it more interesting, conversational, I already mentioned a tool called Jasper. It's an AI tool that will help you to whip out some interesting emails, especially if you want the email content or with the subject lines. Now, they do have the free trial, so you can make sure you get the free trial and see if this is what will help you out with your emails. I know it did for myself, and not specifically in emails, but also in a lot of the other writing content that I use. So make sure to check that out. Link is in the description. Make sure you do check it out. If not, take advantage of the free trial. Now you know the 7 email marketing tips for beginners in 2022. Email is a highly effective way to contact with customer and promote your business, but it can be easily misused if you don't follow these simple guidelines. Ensure to include personalized, a clear call to action, proper formatting, and more when sending out emails to connect with your audience and see what's the best result. For affiliate marketing needs, I recommend GetResponse. It's a good autoresponder, and the good thing is they do have a free account to start with. Isn't that great? I'll put the link in the description, and make sure if you don't have an autoresponder, get that, and it's free. To learn more about email tips, marketing, please subscribe to my channel. I'll teach you everything you need to know to make the most about this powerful marketing tool. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, those of you who haven't, and make sure you hit the bell to be notified for all the new videos, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.